Hey guys, Karina Gardner here, and today I'm going to show you how to play with the Reshape tool. Holy cow, I was having trouble saying that. Okay, I am excited to show you this, and by the way, if you're not part of my courses VIP group, you need to join. It's totally free. Just go to karinagardner.com, click on exclusive VIP. I send you an email with all the videos, all the things, PDFs, stuff comes out every week, and it will help you learn to become a designer. Oh my gosh, I'm stumbling on all my words today. Either way, go join it. It's really fun. All right, today I'm gonna show you the Reshape tool. Now, I don't show this very often in even my classes because I think it's straightforward, but I thought I'd show it to you today because if you've taken my Illustrator Academy class or you're trying to draw things like in my fabric design classes, this might help you guys out. So if you come over to your line segment tool, okay, and you hold down the shift key and make a very long line by just pulling across, okay? Once you have it highlighted, which it automatically will highlight, if you come to your Reshape tool, it is beneath usually your scale tool. This is usually what you'll see right on top. If you push and hold down on that menu and come down to the Reshape tool, there it is, and come over to this line, you should be able to take this line and pull on it and change it any way you want. Isn't that really cool? Okay, now why does this matter? Let's take something other than a regular line. Let's go ahead and we're going to draw. Let's see if I can find my pencil tool. I think I want my pencil tool. Here we go. It's under my shaper tool. Grabbing my pencil tool, and I'm gonna make a swirl. So this is gonna just create a line, a vector line with anchor points for me, right? So I'm going to pull around and go all the way around just like this. Okay, so I have this, and if I liked it, I could take my smooth tool and I could smooth it out. But the nice thing is, if you take this Reshaper tool, you can come in and make some real adjustments to the way this line looks. So say I wanted to pull this out a little bit or move it around. I kind of got a little kink there that I'm not going to play around with the Reshaper tool with, but see how that changed really the swirl from being a really tight swirl like that to being a really wide swirl. So it has applications because as you're messing around with things, you can see if you're drawing and you don't like the way something positioned, you can change the perspective with this Reshape tool. Now, if I really wanted to play with it, once I'm done with the Reshape tool, I would come in with my smooth tool, right here, smooth tool, and you could smooth out and get rid of more of these anchor points, okay? Just like that. And then once again, you could pull out the Reshape tool and start messing with it. I just think it's a really cool tool, especially if you're trying to get specific lines. Maybe you're drawing houses and you just need to pull up on a window or something. The Reshape tool will do that for you. So that's it. I hope you have a chance to mess around with it. I hope you're enjoying Illustrator, and I'm excited to have you come along with me to learn to become a designer. See you guys.